Hi all, this video is going to show you another tool, another generator within Magic School AI. And this one's going to be for rubrics. So let's, for instance, you're going to be doing your own goal setting. Those of us who are creating a rubric to assess one or more of our IAGDs, I have a hard time saying that. This would be a great resource just to save yourself some time. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look, see how this works. Now, I already have it bookmarked. Okay. So this is going to be Magic School AI. For those of you that have never created an account, let's go ahead and show you how that would work. I just put in Magic School AI. It'll take me to this site. I sign in with Google. Definitely want to use the apps account, and that brings you in. Okay, now the first time that you come in, it's going to be asking you some questions about who you are and things along those lines. My suggestion at that point is please go ahead and do that, because the more that this tool knows about you, the more it can basically personalize it for you. Okay, it saves you a couple of steps. Now there's a ton of things here. Okay, but what we're going to just be working with is the rubric generator. So I'm going to come in here, and the nice thing about Magic School AI is it sets the prompt up for you. Okay, so here, I don't know, I'd probably, if I'm doing it for myself, I'd do a college thing, but let me just say, if I'm using it for class, so ninth grade class, and I'm just going to do the very basic, students will be able to. So let's go ahead and just type in actually the one that they kind of give you as a format for it. And then I'm going to do one that's going to be a school policies, and just paste that in. And then I'm going to go and write a persuasive copy, and I give those assignment descriptions. Now, what you're going to be able to do is put in some more specifics, like I want to go on a 4-point scale, and you could give even additional customization. Okay, at this point, let's just generate. So over on the right hand side, what it's going to do is it's going to start to build my rubric grid, and very traditional organization and everything along those lines. Now, keep in mind that this is generative AI. So once it's done, the initial thing is done here. What I could do is I can come down here and I can click on shorten, and it'll give me some different possibilities about what I'm going to do. And right off the bat, there it goes. And it starts to tweak it. All right. So those are the ones that are locked in. The other possibility here, once it gets done, is that I can come down, I can come over here and I can click on Reina. Actually, that was available in the very first, once the initial draft was done. And what that does is it gets the chat bot in, and hey, I want to change some of the language kind of thing, or make it more sophisticated or less, that kind of thing. Okay. When I am all said and done, I'm just going to come in here and I'm going to copy it. And it says copied and ready to paste. Now, the beautiful thing about this is then I can just open up a doc, paste it in. I could open up a sheet, paste it in there, and I am good to go. One thing to keep in mind, there's a ton of uses here, and they've added a new Chrome extension. So you'll see that it's live down here in the background. Okay. For more information on the different possibilities here, don't forget our EdTech website. Come into Spotlights, come down to Tech Tips, and you will see loads of stuff right up here all about Magic School, including how to put the Chrome extension in there. Yet another thing to save you time. I hope this has been helpful. Please let me know what you need for help, and have yourself a fantastic day.